Hi, once again welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to discuss another simple technique, that is how can we round off a number to tens, hundred, thousand or 10,000 place. And this is a very simple technique and you can round off a given number within 2 seconds. So let's watch the video and understand the technique. So we can give definition like this: in order to round off a number to a particular place value, that is round off to 10, round out 100, like that, check the very next, that is the very next right place of the given place value, and if the number in that place is 5 or greater than 5, 1 is added to that particular place, that is into which place we have to round off, that particular place we have to add 1 and put 0 to all the right side places. That is the technique and it is very simple, and let's go through an example and understand it very clearly. So first is to round off to 10. Round off to tens place. That is the first question and it is very simple, and you can take one example and it is very simple to understand. That is round off three, 4, 2, 5, 3 to nearest 10. This is our question. That is, rewrite our number like this: 3, 4, 2, 5, 3. Which place we have to round off? We have to round off the 10th place. That is, this is 1's place and this is the 10th place. If there is any change occurs in the 10th place, depends upon the very next right place. That is, this place is the, we have to check the 1's place, that is the very next right place. That 3 is greater than or equal to 5, we can add 1 to the required 10th place. Here 3 is less than 5, so we cannot change any number in the 10th place. So we can rewrite our answer like this. That is, we can rewrite like this: 3, 4, 2. Here this 3 is less than 5, so we can rewrite 5 as itself and put the right side as 0. This is the round off value. Next, another question we can take, that is 2, 8, 6. Round off to nearest 10. Round off to nearest 10. Here we have to rewrite the question, that is our number, then check the 10th place. That is, round off to nearest 10 means take this 8 and check the very next right place, that is, it is 1's place itself, and here the 6, that is the very next right place is 6 and it is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to the question, the place which is asked, that is the 10th place. Simply add 1, that is, put 8 plus 1 equal to 9. The left side is rewritten like this and all the right side places are turned to or changed to 0. So our answer is equal to 290. Another example is 2, 4, 3, 5. Then round off to 10, nearest 10. That is, round off to nearest 10. That is the question, nearest 10. Here again we can rewrite our number, then round off to 10th place, that is, this is our 10th place, so only check the very next right place, that is the 1's place we have to check, and that is 5 itself and it is equal to 5. The very next right place is equal or greater than is the condition. Here it is equal, so we can add 1 to the 10th place, and like this: 2, 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. Then put right side as, that is, rounding off to tens, so it is 0, and answer is equal to 2440. These are the three conditions while rounding off to 10. Next is how can we round off to 100? Rounding off to 100, nearest 100. Next is rounding off to nearest 100, and that is one example again we can take. And our question is like this, that is 335148 to nearest 100. Round off to nearest 100. Here rounding off to nearest 100. So we can again rewrite our question like this, 335148. Here the round off to 100 means 1, 10, 100. This if there is any change in 100 place, we have to check the very next right place. That is, we have to check only this 4 itself, and that 4 is less than 5. So there is no change in the number in the 100 place, and we can rewrite the answer like this, no change in the 100 place because the very next right place is 4 and it is less than 5. So we can rewrite 3, then 3, 5, this 1 will not change, again put 1, then all other numbers into 0. This is the technique. And if another question is like this, that is 335152, round off to nearest 100. Nearest 100. This is the another question. So again we can rewrite the number 335152. Here also round off to 100 is our question, so it is 100, 10th and 1's place. Here round off to 100 means check the very next right place is 10th place, that is it is 5, and that 5 equal to 5, that means we have to add 1 to the 100 place, and our answer is like this, 335. This 1 will change to 1 plus 1 2, or all the rest into 0, and this is the round off technique, and our answer is equal to 335200. If the number is greater than or equal to 5, we can add 1 to the required place. Next is round off to nearest 1000. Another question is round off to nearest 1000, and our example is 335148. That is, another example is 335148. Again the same number is repeating, round off, and our question is round off to nearest 1000. Here again rewrite the number like this, 335148. Round off to 1000 means we have to find out the place itself. 1, 10, 100, 1000 is the this place. Is there, we want to check is there any change in that 1000 place. For that we have to look at the 100th place. Here it is 1 and that 1 is less than 5. So there is no change in the 1000 place, and we can rewrite the number like this, no change in the 1000 place. Rewrite the number as itself, that is 335, and the rest 3 places into 0. This is our answer. This is the very simple technique of rounding off. Another example, if our number is 335574, then question is round off to nearest 1000 itself. Here also rounding off to nearest 1000. So 335574. Here also thousands place. So 1, 10, 100, 1000. For rounding off to 1000, we have to check the 100th place or the very next right place, and that is equal to 5. If it is equal or greater than 5, we can add 1 to the 1000 place. That is our required place. and we can rewrite like this 3 3. That 5 is changed to 5 plus 1 6. Then put all the rest numbers into 0. This is the rounding off technique, and we get the answer like 3,36,000. This is our simple and easiest way of rounding numbers. Next is another one more group. We can continue this technique to any place value. Here I am going to explain one more place value, that is rounding off to nearest 10,000 also. Sorry. And here one more question is round off, or again rewriting the same number, rounding off to nearest 10,000. That is our question. So we can rewrite the number and put the place value. Here the place values are 1, 10, 100, 1000, and this is 10,000. In order to round off to 10,000, we have to check the very next right place, that is the 1000 place. Here that is equal to 5 itself. So we can add 1 to the 10,000 place, that is like this. Then the left side places are rewritten like this, and the right side places are converted into 0. Here 3 plus 1 equal to 4. All the rest right side place values are converted into 0, and our answer is equal to 3,40,000. This is the very simple technique. If another one more example is here, that is 3,43,289. This is our question. Then rounding off to nearest 10,000. Here also rewrite the number 3,43,289, and 10,000 round off to nearest 10,000 means check the place value 1, 10, 100, 1000, and this is 10,000. This is 10,000 place. So in order to round off to 10,000 place, check the 1000 place, that is 3, and it is less than 5. So no change in the 10,000 place. So we can rewrite the same as like this. Left side is written as itself, then there is no change in the 10,000 place because the 1000 place value is less than 5. So we can rewrite the 10,000 place as itself. Again all the rest right side values are turned to zeros, and our answer is equal to 3,40,000. This is our answer, and this is a very simple technique, and it is easy to, by watching all these methods, you can round off any number into a required place value within 2 seconds. If you are interested in this video, please subscribe and share to your friends.